This is how you crochet row 2 of the single crochet if you're left-handed. I'm going to chain 1 for my turning chain, and then I'm going to place my right middle finger behind the stitch that I want to work into, and I'm going to point the tip of my hook into that stitch, make sure I grab both loops, then I'm going to yarn over and pull it through the stitch. My middle finger and thumb are holding the first single crochet row in place, and then they're going to grab the 2 loops or directly underneath them, so that when I yarn over and pull through, I get that upside down teardrop I need to guide the hook through smoothly. And I'm going to repeat that until the end of the row. If your stitches are too tight to work into, I would recommend going up a hook size. Until you get the muscle memory down, it's common to have tight stitches, but you want to have loose stitches to work into so that your muscles don't struggle as they're trying to build that memory. But mostly it's important to just take it one stitch at a time and make sure that you're using both hands, not just the hook, to try and crochet, because I always argue that the hand opposite from the hook is actually doing more of the work, because the hook really just has one job, and that is to bring the yarn through the loop. But the opposite hand has the job of guiding the hook, picking the next stitch, counting stitches, everything. Be sure to like and follow for more close-up stitch tutorials. I post them every single day.